Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front panel insulation in your dishwasher. The reason why you would have to do this is because the insulation is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the screws out of the door here. So now that we have all the screws out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the door a little bit and kind of get it back into place. However, once I get about here, we can take this door off and separate the two halves. You can do that nice and carefully. There are still a couple of wires on the inside that connect them, but there's this wire right here, and we're going to unplug that from our control board here. And all we really need to do is just pinch the two sides here and then pull it out. So we've got our insulation right here. In order to get it out, we've got two tabs that are kind of holding it in place there. So we're just going to bend those tabs up, just like that. And then now those tabs are bent up, you can just pull the insulation right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dishwasher insulation. If you don't have it already, you can find it at our online store. So now we're going to put our insulation back in, and I'm just sliding it from the bottom of the door, sliding it right up, and then you can just line up the insulation just with the bottom of the door here. And then we can push these tabs down into place, like so. And now we'll plug in our front console assembly to the control board. Then we'll lift up on our front panel and slide it into place on the front of the door here. And now I'm going to open up the door. And I want to put the screws in the front two corners first. And that'll help hold the whole door together, and then I can get the rest in. close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.